Hello all, I am Dr. Meghana Bhilare. I'm a professor in a management institute and hail from Pune. Basically, when I attended this 5 days workshop of Shakti Payal, I could understand that there are different ways in which we can overcome our negative emotions, and ultimately it really helps us to manifest the goals which we want to achieve in life. And there are hurdles which we really never come to know, like the emotions are so much imbibed in ourselves that we hardly get a chance to think that there is a positivity on the other side of it. And it really helps when we attend these kind of sessions to understand that there are various techniques by which we can manifest the goals we which are or the dreams we want to achieve in our life. So I would really recommend this 5 day session to everyone. And along with that, the energies and the abundance which we can create in our life, that really helps us to understand what it in all this means, that there is a self love which we need to inculcate in ourselves. And this file has really helped us in understanding this. Really lots of love and blessings to Shakti Payal for making us understand all these little minute things which really help us to live a very peaceful and harmonious life. Thank you all.